Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Nissan Frontier SV. This is the V6 4x4 quad cab. So if you're looking for a nice compact pickup truck, the Frontier is a great choice. And compact relative, if you think about compact pickup trucks from 15, 20 years ago, these are kind of more like mid-size pickup trucks. And then of course we have the full-size pickup trucks like, the Nissan Titan. This one has 30,902 miles. It's a clean Carfax vehicle from the Pacific Northwest. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. It's been serviced and checked by our Nissan certified techs. We're an Infiniti retailer. Infiniti is actually Nissan's luxury division, so our techs are not just Infiniti certified, they're also Nissan certified. This is a nice clean pickup truck inside and out. Looks like it was gently used. It's in its life. It doesn't look like it has had a hard life, which you can encounter with some pickup trucks. Some people use them more for work and things like that. This one's a four-wheel drive model. We have a parking camera, power windows and locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, 30,902 miles at the time of making this video. Power windows. Looks like this one has hill descent control. Four-wheel drive is easy to use. You have a switch right here. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and then of course we have low range. Really nice color combination. Some nice alloy wheels. A hard tonneau cover that also locks. Makes it a little bit more practical. This one also has a tow hitch on it. Really love the way the Frontiers drive. They have a very quality feel to them. I've seen these Frontiers for many, many years. They hold up very well. We've had a number of them coming on trade with higher miles and older ones. They seem to hold up very well. You can either get a 4-cylinder. I think most of the 4-wheel drives only have the V6 like this. It's a 4-liter V6. It's 260 horsepower. This is derived from the VQ series engines, the 3.5 and the 3.7 we see in Nissan and Infiniti products. I own a couple Infinitis myself of those VQ engines. They are absolutely awesome. That big V6 has lots of torque and power for towing and getting up to speed. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.